Welcome on Sunday night show for today, the first morning for inside the month of November. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening again. My name is Nanedu_. Today on Monday, and we'll get Bumi Oni, the HR expert for Inside Studio. Oscoff, DJ Easy Peter, the studio already. I know already now. I don't want to call them all those names. Why they call them? So that you know, go be like say I get beef for Belle for ram. Katim not there today. I think her things never do okay. Her things never do okay. Hopefully, like Katim will come anytime this week. But anyway, before we continue, I beg those of you when we say don't they glue to the night show, make I tell them. Those of you would like join today for the audience member for the night show because we they shoot separate edition for anniversary.
Yep.
We'll go shoot them on Thursday. Will be 6th. Is that it? 5th.
On the 5th.
On the 5th, now we shoot 5th on 5th of this month. On Thursday, we shoot the anniversary edition. But for that anniversary edition, it go day very, very different. Audience, if I reach 100, all of now go fit join. I go day inside studio while they record the program so that it go show on the 10th of November. So therefore, if you one day among the audience we go day for inside studio with us while we shoot, make you call this number 0805 390 4094 0805 390 4094. If you one day among the audience we go there for Inside Studio when we say we shoot the program on Wednesday 0805 390 4094. But you must call before 3 o'clock on Wednesday. You must call before 3 o'clock on Wednesday. Now, for those where they Lagos, but if you don't outside Lagos, you want enter night bus or come Lagos or come join for this thing, you are free. Enter night bus or come on Wednesday, so that Thursday you will be around. You know, I don't know if you are with me. You can come and join and haji things in the way we haji it in a haji manner. Anyway, today we start the show for today. Easy bit, please. Thank God, say Bumi only don't sit down already. I beg, I want to ask you, what do you go feel do to get phone? The phone where they rain, what can you do to get it? It mean anything to even to start with? Big phone like that mean anything to you?
No.
So you not if you do anything to get phone?
No be to communicate.
First of all, what you even do for your own phone?
No, just hello, bye bye. You know, I dey send SMS. So even they do Twitter self, I dey try.
Is it what you do for your own phone?
Just a couple of stuff now.
What do you a couple of
download,
stuff? Answer them English,
browse through files and.
What you go feel do to get the phone where you look for?
Maybe I could just deprive myself. Maybe I won't do something.
Yeah.
I'll say, why not do this? I might just get this phone.
Now, what did make me ask this question? Married women for inside nightclub, iPhone 6. iPhone 6. They say for them to get the iPhone 6, make them naked.
Otio.
My brothers and sisters in the ministry, I will not lie to you, sir. Married women naked. Just for iPhone 6. Eh?
They no go sell the phone outside again.
My brother, I don't know.
Come out close.
No, I didn't be you never marry. I was okay. Something. I don't know. You just vex. What is there?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this? Let me show it. What is this? Let me show it. What is this? Let me show it. What is it? Let me show it.
But show it, Nedu.
No, what is this? What did? Let me show it.
Show it, Nabi.
Show what? You think I'm Albert? I know you have seen Albert, but please. They're naked just for iPhone 6. Now, after the naked finish, carry the phone, go house. Then go happy now. Who then go tell, say, how did you get this phone? My sister, if you see the naked ring I naked, just for this phone, follow me, thank God. Follow me, thank God. Now, what thing go make me tell you, say, you see what the woman go look up and say, my sister, you are, that's what you are. Nokia 3310. That time I know how much it be. He rain, he go. He get one Samsung True Eye. Where you go shine and where the light in a blue. He rain, he go.
Abi.
He get one where be flip.
Turaya.
True Eye, no, not be True Eye.
No,
True Eye,
free eye.
True Eye, free eye. Call
True
this
eye,
one.
free eye.
True Eye. That
Sergeant.
one rain, he go.
Sergeant.
Motorola talk about.
Razor.
That
Razor,
black
yeah,
that time.
Razor blade.
Razor, that Motorola Razor with the black.
I'm telling
You
you,
go
very
flip like
blade.
very slicky. And he get one when he be say not get flip too. He rain, he go. Blackberry come. Hey!
Igbaga.
Everybody turn Blackberry. Curve
touch,
1, curve
curve
2.
All the curve.
All
the bold.
All the board.
Touch.
Board 1,
Touch
board 2.
screens.
Now nobody they use board again. They don't bring with a passport.
Yeah.
Very soon now, photograph then go bring. Very soon now, no only God know what they go bring. When you say you go naked, now the people say where do the phone where they win? They don't bring a new one again.
They will naked again.
They go naked again.
You go naked again.
No, they go. They walk naked. No need to wear clothes, so they go just remove the
Collect
phone.
like coin.
What the person no go see for this life will come?
Anytime.
Now if you do that thing for phone, what do you come when and tell say, okay, for car, what are you going to do? If you go feel naked, married woman go feel naked for phone, what are you going to do if the one that you can?
They go strip the whole day. Whole day.
Anyway, God will judge them and they will not make heaven. I will personally make sure they don't. Now for the second story where I don't understand, it shows you the power of women. And God will judge plenty women in this world. Easy bit. One armed robber will not go show on the picture. But for security purpose. Armed robber will then catch. Go thief. My brothers and sisters in the Lord. When they ask the guy, why did you thief this thievery? You have just thieved. Then the guy say, now because of his girlfriend by day, he not get money. He want thief to raise money for his girlfriend birthday. Now he go thief.
The guy na thief before.
Now, no be say the guy na thief before. Robbery gang. He joined the gang. He not be thief before. He joined the gang because make him forget money in birthday, in girlfriend birthday.
If the girlfriend call leave and call.
Not be even that one. Not be even that one they worry me. Now, he don't thief the thief now. They don't catch him. The girl now go to her house. Nothing concern house.
No be she thief now.
Another boy now. Go carry the girl, go.
Do birthday for himself.
Do birthday. He said, they tell people, if you be young boy where they there, you kill yourself for girl. Don't kill yourself. Where you go kill yourself? Romeo working himself, where you dey? Romeo working himself for love, where you dey?
The boy be one steal before, no be because of the game.
Juliet, that one, I don't know what to do her. They follow her for village and make her because it is a Nigerian girls of these days. But you drink, hey, that's how it go. Then the next boyfriend will come, go toast and go. It is a girl go drink poison because of guy can't die. Love her back, made that love catch fire. Okay? Everything guys know they understand. If you carry babe, see, make I tell you something. See, easy bit. You go bring babe now. You go tell that babe, man, I can do anything for you. In fact, what do you want to eat? I'll be giving you, they'll be bringing food for you every day. I'll be taking you out. No. I'll be taking you out every day, morning, afternoon, and night to go and eat out. Girls can like eat out. Oh, we are eating out. Oh my God. Chinese. Whether they know the Chinese or not. Then you go, oh, they go eat Chinese. Okay. You go see. Now your left will be that too. Another guy go come. When get left will pass you. The Chinese company where they do the food, go they carry the food, go they submit to the girl for the house where she did. Now another level will be that. Then the bigger level, go carry the thing, go bid for the girl house. They cook for them.
You want chop?
You want chop? Chop your life away. Or you go tell girl, don't worry, your birthday, what am I going to do for you? I'll take you to movies. Another person go carry that babe, go Abuja. I'll take you to Abuja, go to anywhere you want to go. Level way past you. They'll carry and go Dubai. Because now there girls, they go these days. Only got nothing and they go do there. Make I keep my mouth shut.
Holiday.
Holiday.
It's holiday.
You not see that video where come up for internet? Where one girl naked. I see two girls. One na Igbo girl, one na Bini. He naked.
For
now what did they go do for Dubai? We know! All of una where they go Dubai. Not be all of una, some of una.
Okay.
But anyway, make I gbas more chicken before I put myself in trouble. When I come back, what is our topic for today?
Attitude and behavior for workplace.
Attitude and behavior for your workplace. You go show say this one go hard. Because very soon they go see me from they come robot, they come work. Attitude and behavior for workplace that we will discuss today on top of the next show. Moku Bass much chicken break when you come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.